Reminder, you actually can have fun celebrating any holidays or other events. You do not have to scare many innocent creatures in the process. Any firecrackers or and fireworks are stressful, frightening, disruptive, annoying to plenty of non-humans, but to a lot of humans as well. Many non-humans will have a heart attack and pass away. What about the afraid human babies and small children? Can't you think of the elderly and or sick people? Making unnecessary noise is selfish. Do others have a choice besides you? You can read online or visit my Facebook page to see the big damages it causes on wildlife and pets. You do not want to be responsible for it, don't you? Thanks for taking the right decisions and actions for this and any future holidays, special events.